Come Luna, Witchy Woo. Hello, Witchy Woo. As always, certainly no Black Cat, Copycat, Black Cav Burston, Son of Sam. No Black Panther, Serial Killer here. Africa, Dis, Norwich and Sandringham. As always, really don't think so. The black car there has got Wizard on it, but certainly no Black Wizard here. It's also got 55 on it. And 55 Victoria Road, this Norfolk, UK, where I did run a hostel for homeless young men, my Christian calling in the past. Was never 25 Cromwell Street. No bodies bricked into the walls, under the floors, or buried in the garden. Certainly wasn't running a Charles Manson cult. And no underage rape, pregnancy, murder and burial. Another big monster lie in this Norfolk, UK.